You see that Lamborghini right there? That was bought with passive income. What about that beach house? Passive income again. Imagine waking up every morning and seeing money deposited into your account without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? Well, in 2025, it's more possible than ever. But let's be real, not all passive income ideas actually work. There's a lot of fluff out there, but in this video, I'm cutting through the noise and revealing real, proven passive income strategies that people are using right now to build wealth while they sleep. Stay till the end, because I'm sharing the one most profitable passive income idea that no one is talking about. It's the one that has the potential to completely change your life, just like it did for me. The first passive income stream we're diving into is the goldmine of digital products. We're talking eBooks, templates, even AI-generated content. Stuff people are already buying online every single day. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for selling printables, or you can hit up Amazon KDP with an AI-generated ebook. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, you don't even have to create these products from scratch. ChatGPT can help you write that ebook in a fraction of the time, and Midjourney can generate stunning visuals. Don't just take my word for it. People are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month doing this. But here's a pro tip. Don't just jump into any old niche. Before you even think about creating a product, head over to Google Trends and see what's hot. Find those hot niches, and that's where you strike gold. Okay, let's talk about YouTube. You know it's a moneymaker, but did you know you don't even need to show your face to rake in the cash? Faceless YouTube channels are absolutely exploding in 2025, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. We're talking AI scripts, AI voiceovers. Heck, you can even use AI-generated visuals and stock footage. Just upload that bad boy to YouTube and let the platform do the heavy lifting. With YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, you can literally be making money while you sleep. The point is, find a niche that resonates with you, because consistency is key, even with automation. Put in the work up front, and you'll be reaping the rewards for years to come. Let's be real. Who doesn't love a good side hustle? And when it comes to passive income, print on demand is like the gift that keeps on giving. Imagine this. You design a cool t-shirt, a funny mug, maybe even some AI-generated artwork, and you get paid every time someone buys it. The best part? You don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or any of that headache-inducing stuff. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Printify take care of everything for you. You just upload your designs, set your prices, and watch the orders roll in. We're talking about earning potential of $500 to $10,000 per month, all by tapping into your creative side. So dust off those design skills, or unleash the power of AI and start building your own print-on-demand empire. It's easier than you think, and the passive income potential is massive. Automated affiliate marketing. No website, no problem. All right, let's talk about affiliate marketing, but forget everything you thought you knew. In 2025, it's all about leveraging the power of short-form video. That's right, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. These are your new best friends. Find products you love, create compelling content around them, and drop your affiliate links in the description. People see your video, they love the product, they click your link, and boom, you earn a commission. Now here's the key. Focus on high-paying affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a no-brainer. Bluehost is great for web hosting, and software or AI tools are where the big bucks are at. So ditch the old-school methods and embrace the power of short-form video for your affiliate marketing. It's never been easier to make money online. Investing in REITs real estate without the landlord headaches. Real estate, it's the dream, right? Owning a piece of the pie, watching your money grow. But let's be real, not everyone can afford to buy a property outright, and being a landlord, that's a whole other ballgame. Well, guess what? You can still cash in on the real estate boom without the stress. How? REITs, baby. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, let you invest in income-producing real estate without actually having to become a landlord. Now, in 2025, there are some REIT sectors that are absolutely crushing it. Prologis, a logistics REIT, is booming thanks to the rise of e-commerce. Realty income is a fan favorite because they pay dividends monthly, which is always a plus. So if you're looking for a hands-off way to invest in real estate, REITs are the way to go. Bonus, the #1 passive income stream in 2025, AI-powered SaaS. Alright, you've made it to the end, which means it's time to unveil the ultimate passive income stream of 2025, AI-powered SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and it's basically like creating your own online business that practically runs itself. With AI, you can create automated tools, subscription-based software, even AI chatbots that people pay for month after month. It's like printing money while you sleep. Need some inspiration? AI copywriting tools are exploding right now. Automated resume builders are a game changer for job seekers. And AI-powered investing apps? Forget about it. So if you're serious about building a passive income empire that will set you up for life, AI-powered SaaS is the name of the game. Trust me, this is the future of passive income. So there you have it, folks. 6 incredible passive income ideas that can actually change your life in 2025. Whether you're into digital products, YouTube automation, or building the next big AI-powered SaaS, there's a path for you. Which passive income idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Remember, the best time to start building your passive income streams was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. See you in the next video, where we'll be diving deep into building a profitable online business from scratch. You don't want to miss it.